Top 5 Best Bench Grinders. If you're looking for the best bench grinders, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Remember when you spent all that money replacing dull and rusty tools? From deburring ragged edges to cleaning objects to sharpening blades, the WIN 6-inch bench grinder is the ideal companion for any workshop. These machines allow for simple resuscitation of dull blades, scissors, screwdrivers, and more. Compact yet powerful, the WIN 6-inch bench grinder provides reliability even in the face of the most difficult tasks. Our package includes one 60-grit wheel and one coarse 36-grit wheel. With our extremely quiet 2.1 amp motor, expect quick startups, smooth performance, and steady speeds of 3450 RPM. Built with you in mind, our design makes wheel guard removal simple for easy wheel changes, while the included eye guards easily adjust to prevent interference with your project. Don't forget about the flexible work light, helping to illuminate your grinding for an increase in accuracy and precision. Remember when your blades could actually cut through?
Jet's reputation is built one tool at a time. Their rugged range of machinery powers your workday and workforce. Committed to quality, Jet's full 2-year warranty leads the industry, and their safety features are a caliber unmatched by others. Jet Tools puts the power in your hands. Jet's most popular 6 and 8-inch grinders now offer you the versatility of a shop bench grinder with a wire wheel. The 36-grit grinding wheel and crimped wire wheel gives you the flexibility to remove most tough surface materials. Designed for the harshest shop environments, the wire wheel grinders are protected from your shop's most dangerous elements with their full casted body and cast iron guards with dust chutes. For additional operator and shop safety, the grinders include adjustable spark guards, large eye shields, and are UL listed.
The Bucktool 8-inch dual-speed bench grinder is the ideal tool for small workshops and craftspeople working with hand tools. The machine allows for simple resuscitation of dull blades, skewed chisels, scissors, and more. Wheel balance is very important for a bench grinder. Bucktool uses a 4-piece high-quality flange to guarantee no wobbling. A buffing wheel or brush wheel will be equipped for multi-purpose polishing. You can install them with the help of spacers that are already included. Switch on the machine and change the speed from 1,725 to 3,450 rounds per minute by simply turning this dual speed switch. It starts up very quick and performance is smooth. The best is you will have some powerful torque at low speed in comparison to high speed. That is a big advantage when comparing to variable high-speed models. If you want to buy a quality bench grinder, Bucktool is an excellent choice.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video, and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.